napakadakilang pangalan. Salamat po sa lahat ng mga biyayang ipinagkaloob mo sa bawat isa sa amin. Sana po patnubayan mo ang aming gagawing pagpupulong ngayon upang magawa po namin ang lahat ayon sa ikalulugod ng iyong napakadakilang pangalan. Ang lahat ng ito po ay aming hiling sa tanging pangalan ng aming tagapagligtas na si Hesus Kristo. Amen.
Amen.
Yeah, other two members should be joining us later. For our business, we have the bid opening of 14 projects under regular bidding and pre-bid conference of 8 projects under bidding. Well, we'll now start with the bid opening of 14 projects under regular bidding. Or project number 1.
Project number 1, she titled the construction of canal in city wall. The bid by CC Construction Services. It was received 7:28 p.m. Proper the envelope, proper the
So then the first the technical component.
We have the technical proposal of CC Construction Services for project number 1. We have the PhilJEP's registration certificate. Attached also is the pickup license. We have the statement of ongoing government and private contracts. Next is the statement of single largest completed contract. For the NFCC, the amount is 52,854,938 pesos and 36 centavos. 52,854,938.36. Joint venture agreement is not applicable. We have here for the bid security, a bid securing declaration. Next is the organizational chart, list of key personnel, list of equipment, and the omnibus sworn statement signed and duly notarized. That's all.
The technical component of CC construction is complete. Let's open the financial proposal.
We have the financial proposal of CC Construction. The bid amount is 1,999,750 pesos and 70 centavos. 1,999,750.70. No discounts offered. We have here the BOQ, detailed estimates. And cash flow by quarter. That's answer.
And the financial proposal is likewise completed. Next, project number 2.
So project number 2 is like improvement of Badrinath to Chuluran Road, Kattu Water. Same below is submitted by Lotus Construction. It is received 7.6 million June 2, 2026. And attached is an SPA duly signed and notarized. The title of the document is stated in this special power of attorney.
We open first the technical bit.
Sa balik. Baka walang number 3. Ay, Jim marami. Walang number 3. Check mo dyan na kailangan. We have here the technical proposal of Norcas Construction for project number 3. Here is the certificate of field registration. We have the statement of ongoing. Also attached is applicable license, regular contractor's license. Next is the statement of all ongoing government and private contractors. We have the statement of single largest completed contract. Special pickup license is not applicable. We have here the NFCC 186,232,616 pesos and 81 centavos. 186,232,616.81. Next is the bid securing declaration. We have the list of key personnel. Next is the list of equipment. Organization. We have the organizational chart, list of key personnel, list of equipment. OSS is also present. That's also.
The technical proposal is complete. Open the financial component.
for the financial proposal of Norcas Construction. The bid amount is 1,997,989 pesos and 94 centavos. 1,997,989.94. No discount offered. We have the bill of quantities. The detailed estimates is also here. Cash flow by quarter and other additional documents for post-qualification.
Financial proposal is also complete. Subject number 3.
For project number 3, entitled the soft opening of Inuman, Pangkua, Buaya, Basong Atot, Phase 3. The envelope is submitted by Timbrock Construction. It is submitted at 8:05 AM on June 2, 2026. The envelope is properly sealed.
Open first the technical component.
We have the technical proposal of Jimrock Construction for project number 3. We have the PhilJEPS registration. Also attached is the pickup license. We have the statement of ongoing government and private contracts. Next is a statement of single largest completed contract, an FCC amounting to 295,446,798 pesos and 82 centavos. 295,446,798.82. Joint venture agreement is not applicable. For the bid security, we have a bid securing declaration. Next is the organizational chart. We have the list of key personnel, list of equipment, and the omnibus sworn statement signed and duly notarized. That's also
Okay, technical is complete. It's open the financial proposal.
for the financial proposal of Jimrock Construction. The bid amount is 1,498,740 pesos and 2 centavos. 1,498,740.02. No discounts offered. We have the bill of quantities. Detailed estimates is also here. Including the summary sheet for the detailed estimates and cash flow by quarter. That's also.
Financial is likewise complete. Extra 4.
For project number 4, entitled Improvement of Inahan Tagampi from Market Road, Dambang Bakon at Bakon Benguet. It is submitted by Pusong Construction Services. envelope is submitted on June 1, 2026 at 6:30 p.m. I see the attached is an SPA to renotarize, and it is the name of the project, the title of the project is before in the SPA. Envelope is properly sealed in the side.
Then the technical proposal. So much color.
We have the technical proposal of Pusong Construction Services. We have the PhilJIPS registration, platinum membership, pickup license and registration in case of joint venture is not applicable. We have the statement of ongoing government and private contracts. Next is the statement of single largest completed contract. For the NFCC, the amount is 112,729,876 pesos and 50 centavos. 112,729,876.50. Joint venture agreement is not applicable. For the bid security, we have a bid securing declaration. We also have the organizational chart. We have here the list of key personnel. We have the list of equipment. We also have the omnibus sworn statement, signed and duly notarized. That's all, sir.
The technical is complete. Open the financial components.
For the financial proposal of Pusong Construction Services, the bid amount is 1,919,000. Wait lang. Repeat, sir. 1,990,764 pesos and 92 centavos. Yes, sir. But the amount in figure is 1,999,764.92. 1,990,764 pesos and 92 centavos.
Inwards.
The inwards yan. 90. 1,990,000. Pag yung inwards.
The amount written in words will be raised.
Yes. So no discounts offered. We have the bill of quantities, detailed estimates, summary sheet, and the cash flow by quarter. That's also.
Okay, the financial proposal is also complete. Next project, number six. For the next project, number 5, we have no bidder. So we'll proceed to project numbers.
For project number 6, titled the improvement of the Sayatan Road for the Yasan of the Blue Spirit. They belong to submitted by Arabuan Construction and Supply. They belong to submission in June 1, 2026 at 4:33 p.m. The envelope is properly sealed and signed.
They present the technical proposal.
One nine 1990. Pilot Sinarpa, which
Suggest
is a
inwards and
inward self-repair.
So we have the technical proposal of Araboan Construction and Supply. We have the PhilJEPS registration certificate. For the special pickup license, not applicable. We have the statement of ongoing government and private contracts. We have the statement of single largest completed contract. For the NFCC, the amount is 324,336,849 pesos. 324,336,849.00. Joint venture agreement is not applicable. For the bid security, attached is a bid securing declaration. For the project requirements, we have the organizational chart, list of key personnel, list of equipment, and the omnibus sworn statement is signed and duly notarized. That's all.
The technical proposal is complete. Open the financial component.
Thank you. We have the financial proposal of Araboan Construction and Supply. Amount is 1,998,500 pesos and 0 centavos. 1,998,500.00. No discounts offered. The BOQ is attached. Next is a detailed estimates. Summary sheet is also attached, and last is the cash flow by quarter. That's all, sir.
The financial proposal is also complete. Next, project number 7.
Ba yun yan? Ano na yun? Nabibili sa ano? Yung kay yen.
Project number 7,
Yung may mozzarella.
improvement and construction of canal, Loro Bicicolo, Balay Kabayan. Then it's submitted by Visual Construction Services. To June 2, 2026 at 7:45 a.m. Is signed and duly sealed.
Okay, open the technical.
Ano all models yun? It's super legal. We have the technical proposal of Kishua Construction Services. We have here the PhilJEP's registration certificate. Next is the special pickup license, which is not applicable. Statement of ongoing government and private contracts. Next is the statement of single largest completed contract. For the NFCC, the amount is 97,023,834 pesos and 52 centavos. 9702334.52. For the joint venture agreement, not applicable. Next is the bid security in the form of a bid securing declaration. Next, we have the organizational chart, list of key personnel. We have the list of equipment. List of equipment. And last is the omnibus sworn statement, signed and duly notarized. That's it.
Very technical is the open financial component.
Seven. Thank you. So may I read the financial proposal of Kishua Construction Services? For the bid amount is 1,998,000 pesos only. 1,998,000.00. No discounts offered. We have the bill of quantities. We also have the detailed estimates and the summary sheet. Next is the cash flow by quarter and some additional documents for the conduct of post-qualification.
Financial is also complete. Next, project number 8.
So project number 8, entitled Improvement of Self Proper, will be found to Motor Roads and Patibon. Then will be submitted by Solid Trust Construction. It is submitted on 22/2026, 8:59 p.m. Mr. Properly sealed and no sign of comfort.
Then open the technical report.
Pwede. 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 Ano pwede? Pwede. 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 Pwede.
Sigurado nga free dati ang adi.
Winsa, sir. Pwede. Easy. Ay, ba't dyan nilagay yung resibo? Ito pa hanapin nila yan. I-attach niya sa ano niya. We have the technical proposal of Solid Trust Construction. First is the PhilJEP's registration certificate. Next, statement of all ongoing government and private contracts. We have the single largest completed contract. They have attached a pickup license. Nauna yung bid security. We have the bid securing declaration. Okay. Ano yung FCC? Sige. Labas na natin. Nasa last. For the NFCC, it's 130,341,787 pesos and 35 centavos. 130,341,787.35. For the project requirements, we have the organizational chart. We have the list of key personnel. We also have the list of equipment. And the omnibus sworn statement signed and duly notarized. We have the joint venture agreement, which is not applicable. That's also.
The technical component is complete. Open the financial proposal.
So we have the financial proposal of Solid Trust Construction. The bid amount is 1,993,366 pesos and 20 centavos. 1,993,366.20. No discounts offered. We have the BOQ. We also have the detailed estimates and summary sheet. And lastly is the cash flow by quarter. That's also.
The financial is also complete. Next, transaction number 9.
For project number 9, is the construction of canal of the back of the sports center team to Manila unit. The bid proposal is submitted by MXC Construction. It is submitted on June 1, 2026 at 1:54 p.m. It is time issued and no sign of tampering.
Okay, open technical component.
Okay, we have the technical proposal of MXC Construction. First is the certificate of project registration. We have here the statement of ongoing government and private contracts. Next is the statement of single largest completed contract. Special pickup license is not applicable. For the bid security, it is a bid securing declaration. For the NFCC, the amount is 369,355,101 pesos and 83 centavos. 369,355,101.83. For the project requirements, we have the organizational chart. List of key personnel. Next is the list of equipment. We have the Omnibus One statement signed and duly notarized. And joint venture agreement is not applicable. That's okay.
Okay, technical is complete. Open the financial control.
Okay, so may I read the financial proposal of MXC Construction? The bid amount is 1,995,758 pesos and 64 centavos. 1,995,758.64. No discounts offered. The BOQ is attached. The detailed estimates is also here. Summary sheet is here, and last is the cash flow by quarter. That's also.
Financial is also complete. Next, project cleaning for that.
So project number 10 is titled Improvement of Fine Bridge, Shabolo Road to Collectory Unit. The proposal is submitted by Tatum Construction. It's submitted on June 14, 2026 at 7:20 p.m. As properly sealed, signed, in no side of shampoo.
We open the technical proposal.
Thank you. We have the technical proposal of Tatum Construction for the improvement of Pine Ridge, Shamulu Road, Tito. We have the certificate of field depth registration. We also have the list of ongoing government and private contracts. The single largest completed contract is also here. Also attached is a license. We have for the bid security, a bid securing declaration. Next is the organizational chart. We have the list of key personnel. Next is the list of equipment. We have the omnibus sworn statement signed and duly notarized. For the NFCC, the amount is 293,381,938 pesos and 50 centavos. 293,381,938.50. Also attached is the annual income tax return. Joint venture agreement is not applicable. That's all.
Okay, technical is complete. Open financial report.
So we have the financial proposal of Tatum Construction. Tatum from Baguio City. The amount is 1,998,994 pesos and 21 centavos. 1,998,994.21. No discounts offered. We have the BOQ or bill of quantities. The detailed estimate is also attached. We have the summary sheet, and last is the cash flow by quarter. That's also.
Technically, it's like a complete. Right, it's projects number 11.
Project number 11 is titled Ground Improvement Woodbridge National High School, Woodbridge, Mankind. The bid is submitted by Concession. We are mixed construction services. Is signed to seal in no sign of counter. It's the bid is submitted on June 2, 2026 at 7:23.
First, the technical.
Good talaga. English tayo, tablet-ed. Hindi ba? Right pa. Okay. Ano yan? Ano na lang? Ayun talaga. Ayun tayo. 18, 11. Dito sa class. Proven. We have the technical proposal of Leor May Construction Services for project number 11. First is the Certificate of PhilJEP Certification Platinum Membership. Next, attached is the CLICAB license. We have the Statement of Ongoing Government and Private Contracts. Next is the Statement of Single Largest Completed Contract. For the NFCC, the amount is 47,021,838 pesos and 45 centavos. For 7021,838.45, joint venture agreement is not applicable. For the bid security is a bid securing declaration. We have the organizational chart, list of key personnel, list of equipment, and the omnibus sworn statement signed and duly notarized. That's also.
The technical component is complete. It's open to the proposal.
Maybe that's it. We have the financial proposal of Leor May Construction Services. The amount is 1,998,527 pesos and 97 centavos. 1,998,527.97. No discounts offered. The bill of quantities is here. We have the detailed estimates, summary sheets, and the cash flow by quarter. That's all.
Next, project number 12.
Yeah,
For the project number 12 is titled Construction and Concreting of Smoke Protection and Marcos Drive School Building, Manangan, Sablan. The bid proposal is submitted by Anas Construction on June 2, 2026 at 8 o'clock p.m. Attached is an SPA by Felicio Anas, the attorney Secretary Cabral to design. The link to participated in this SPA. The envelope is properly sealed in the sign of conference.
Okay, open first the technical component.
Dahi. Ito, bibiro kanya to dahi. Da. Wow. Dahi. And the sheep. Ano man lang ang spell out. Tingnan na kung economics. Marud. Dahi. Isa nga igupat, diabetes. Ano nga pala? Ito yung spelling na pala.
Building yung
Ayun, tataga-sabihin.
protection it's
Number 12. Diba? Tulad yan?
Proceed daw yung ulang tayo. Proceed, sir, or Ryan time? We have the technical proposal of Anas Construction for project number 12. First is the PhilJEPS registration certificate, platinum membership. Next is the statement of ongoing government and private contracts. We have the statement of single largest completed contract. Attached is a pickup license, but also attached is a special pickup license in case of joint venture not applicable. We have the bid securing declaration. For the NFCC, the amount is 449,828,110 pesos and 48 centavos. 449,828,110.48. For the project requirements, we have the organizational chart, list of key personnel. We have the list of equipment. The omnibus sworn statement is here, signed and duly notarized. Last joint venture agreement not applicable. That's it, sir.
The technical is complete. Upon the financial proposal.
Thank you. For the financial proposal of Anas Construction, the amount in words is 1,999,457 pesos and 6 centavos. In figures, 1,999,457.06. No discounts offered. The BOQ is attached. The detailed estimates is also here. Summary sheet is also attached. Cash flow by quarter and additional requirements for post-qualification.
The financial proposal is also complete. Right? Project number 30.
So project number 13, entitled road opening of local oak via platform to market road progression sa blank. The bid proposal is submitted by Chelsea Construction and Geotesting Services. It's submitted on June 2, 2026 at 7:21 AM. It is signed in your seal with no sign of temporary.
Open the technical statement.
Mostly. For the person. Okay. That's it.
I'm dead.
Check. 14 minutes. Kada na. Ay, nadubli sir, the last page.
Ah,
Silence.
Ah,
Maganda yung
nadubli.
I follow.
Ba't yung dubli?
So, depende.
yung mga naman yung mga season mo.
Tinitibido yung rate talaga. QMR ba? Yung 14. Yung numbering lang.
Yeah.
This is regard charges. Okay, so we have the technical proposal of Chelsea Construction. We have the certificate of Fields registration, platinum membership. Okay. Next is the list of ongoing government and private contracts. We have the statement of single largest completed contract. Special pickup license is not applicable. For the bid security, it is a bid securing declaration. The NFCC is 139,408,640 pesos and 27 centavos. 139,408,640.27. For the project requirements, we have the organizational chart, list of key personnel. We have the list of equipment. Omnibus sworn statement is here, signed and duly notarized. Joint venture agreement is not applicable. That's all.
Okay, technical is complete. Open the financial performance.
Yes. Okay, may I read the financial proposal of Chelsea Construction and Geotesting Services? The amount is 1,998,448 pesos and 55 centavos. 1,998,448.55. No discounts offered. The bill of quantities is here. We have the detailed estimates and the summary sheet. And lastly is the cash flow by quarter. That's also.
The financial is like a copy. Last project, number 30.
So the last project is like the improvement of colonials farm tomato crop and Pascual Cuba. The proposal is submitted by DNHR General Construction. Submitted on June 2, 2026 at 7:52 AM. It's been signed, properly sealed and no signed confirmation.
I open the technical proposal.
Dalawa ang na-schedule man lang. Check ko naman. Kaya na ulit.
Sobrang mainit sa HA system, sir. Ang explain mo. Yes. We have the technical proposal of JNMR General Construction for the last project. We have the certificate of PhilJobs registration, platinum membership. Special pickup license is not applicable. Next is the list of ongoing government and private contracts. We also have the statement of single largest completed contract. For the NFCC, the amount is 55,635,837 pesos. 55,635,837.00. Joint venture agreement is not applicable. For the bid security, we have a bid securing declaration. For the project requirements, we have here the organizational chart, list of key personnel, list of equipment, and the omnibus sworn statement, signed and duly notarized. That's all.
The technical is complete. Open the financial proposals.
Sinuro ko ulit. May additional data. We have the financial proposal of JNMR General Construction. The amount in words is 1,997,997 pesos and 16 centavos. 1,997,997.1. We have the detailed estimates. Summary sheet is also here. Cash flow by quarter and additional requirements for the conduct of post-qualification.
The financial proposal is also. Any more folders you have to go over?
No more, sir.
That ends the opening of 14 projects under regular bidding. Let's move on to the pre-bid conference of 8 projects. The request presenters to come forward. Ready? So now we start with the first project.
The first project is entitled Construction of Multipurpose Building, Pangaw Bugyas, with with an appropriation of 3 million pesos. The source of fund is General Fund CY 2025. Number of calendar days to complete, 183 calendar days. The implementation procedure is by contract and it is a permanent structure. The minimum equipment required, one cargo service truck, one bagger concrete mixer, one bar cutter, one bar bender, one jackhammer, one backhoe with a capacity of 0.8 cubic meters, two dump trucks with capacities of 12 cubic yards, one plate compactor, 64.39 units of H frame, 1.70 meters by 1.2 meters, shoring jack, 99.8 units, full extended at 3.8 meters, 128.77 units of adjacent U-head jack with length of 0.6 meters, 128.77 units of 0.6 meter adjacent base jack, 99.8 units of 1.5 inch GI pipe by 6 meters, 25.75 units of 1.5 inch GI pipe by 3 meters, 51.51 units of 1.5 inch GI pipe by 4 meters, 347.69 units of 1.5 inch GI pipe by 1 meter, 447.49 units of tie rod by 0.6 meters, 898.20 units of round wing nuts, and minor tools. The source of cement is from La Trinidad Benguet. The source of sand and gravel is from Cervantes, Ilocos Sur. The main output of the project is a 2-story multipurpose building. Ay,
Structural or gonna full finish the 2-story?
full finished 2-story building. That includes windows and doors, fully enclosed when you build.
Other clarification from the project consultant? The technical and financial requirements, other terms and conditions of the bidding documents, hearing none. Next project.
Construction of school building, phase 2 at Loo National High School, Loo Bugyas. Location, Loo Bugyas. Operation, 5 million. Source of fund, 20% PDF, CY 2026. Number of calendar days to complete, 302. Project number, 2026-10-058. Minimum equipment required, 1 cargo service truck, 1 backhoe, 80 cubic, 2 dump truck, 12 cubic yard, backhoe with breaker, 80 cubic, number 1, 1 plate compactor with capacity of 5 horsepower, 1 bagger mixer with a number of 137.62, edge frame 1.7 by 1.2, shoring jack 3.80 full extension 213.32, adjacent U head jack 0.60 meters 2.75.25, adjacent base jack 0.60 meters. Number of item 275.25. With minor tools 1 1/2 GI pipe by 6 meters. Number of item 213.32. 1 1/2 GI pipe by 3 meters. Number of item is 55.05. 1 1/2 pipe by 4 meters. Number of item 110.10. 1 1/2 pipe by 1 meter. Number of item is 743.17. Thyroid by 0.60. Number of item is 956.49. Round wing nut. Number of item 1919.86. Bar cutter 1. 1 bar bender. 1 welding machine. 1 cutting outfit. 1 generator set. The source for the cement type 1 is from La Trinidad Benguet. For the sand and gravel, Gitlangan Cervantes. The scope of the project is for the second floor, not enclosed, for the structural only. With the septic tank. The first floor is enclosed, while the second floor is open.
Clarification on the project presented. None. On the technical and financial requirements. And also about the terms and conditions of the bidding documents. There's also none. Okay, we'll proceed to the other project.
The third project is the has two titles: Construction of School Building Phase 2, Natublong National High School, Natublong Bugyas Benguet, and Construction of School Building Phase 3 at Natublong National High School, Natublong Bugyas Benguet. The appropriation is, the first is 3.7 million and the second is 3 million. It was programmed into one project. The number of calendar days to complete is 375. The source of fund for the first project is SB number 1 2025, and the second was funded through 20% PDF CY 2026. The minimum equipment required is 1 cargo or service truck, 4 jackhammers, 1 generator set with 51 to 100 kilowatt power, 1 plate compactor with power of 5 HP, 1 bagger mixer, 1 bar bender, 1 bar cutter, 1 welding machine, 1 cutting outfit, 136.74 units of H-frame, 1.7 meter by 1.2 meter, 211.95 units of 3.8-meter fully extended shoring jacks, 273.48 units of 0.6 meters adjacent U-head jack, 273.48 units of 0.6 meter adjacent base jack, 211.95 units of 1.5 inch GI pipe with lengths of 6 meters, 54.7 units of 1.5 inch GI pipe by 3 meters, 109.39 units of 1.5 inch GI pipe by 4 meters, 738.4 units of 1.5 inch GI pipe by 1 meter, 950.35 units of 0.6 meter by tie rods, 1,907.53 units of round ring nuts, and some minor tools. The source of cement would come from La Trinidad Benguet. The source of the aggregates, sand and gravel, will come from Gitlangan Cervantes. And the source of the SBBC will come from Natublong Bugyas. There is an existing building at the site which consists only of a structural frame with columns. It is a one-story building with columns and beams and an existing slab for the second floor. This project would add another story from the existing building and will fully enclose the existing building with some extensions in the sides of the building. The output of this project will be a fully utilized two-story building and fully enclosed, complete with some stairs, doors, and windows, with some possible extension for a third floor.
Tutuloy na rin ito sa existing structural building.
Once existing building, a structural frame.
Any more comment on the project assembly? None. On the technical and financial requirements? About the terms and conditions of the bidding document? Okay, hearing none, we'll proceed to the next project.
Construction of school building, Balay Integrated School, Balay Kabayan. Location, Kabayan Benguet. Appropriation, 5 million. Source of fund, 20% PDF. Calendar year, 2026. Implementing procedure by contract. Pambi area, under Upper Agno. Number of complete days to complete, 229 calendar days. Minimum equipment required, minor tools, 1 cargo truck, H-frame with platforms by rental, 1 backhoe with breaker with the capacity of 0.36 cubics, payloader 1.5 cubic meter, 2 dump truck, 1 plate compactor, 1.5 GI pipe with swivel clamps, 1 welding machine, 1 cutting outfit, 1 bagger mixer, 1 bar cutter, 1 bar bender. The source for the cement type 1 is from Baguio City. For the sand and gravel, is from Bangaw Bukod, Benguet. For the scope of the project, it is a one-story school building and is fully closed with windows and doors with a septic tank.
Comment or clarification on the project sample? None? The requirements of the financial and technical terms and conditions to the documents? Hearing none, we'll proceed to the next project.
Improvement of Kinubkog Farm to Market Road, Tawangan, Benguet, with a population of 1 million. And the other one is improvement of Kinubkog to Bawi Farm to Market Road, Tawangan, Kabayan, with a population of 2 million. This project is with the same location. So the total appropriation is 3 million. The both source of fund is from 20% PDF CY 2026. The number of calendar days to complete is 77 days. Calendar days. It is under the Pambi area, Mount Pulag. Minimum equipment required: 1 cargo truck with a capacity of 2.5, 1 water truck, pump 100 gallons, 1 bagger concrete mixer, 1 concrete vibrator, 1 bar cutter single phase, 2 compactor self-propelled static, 2 entry smooth drum, 1 bar cutter 3 phase, and minor tools. The source for the Portland cement type 1 is within La Trinidad, Benguet. For the sand and gravel, Bangaw Bukod, as well as the boulders from Adunot Bukod. For the SBBC, it is along Bukod Kabayan National Road. The scope of the project is on the retaining wall. One sec. To retaining wall.
Okay, any more clarifications? On the technical and financial requirements? The terms and conditions of the agreement? Okay. Hearing none, we'll proceed to the next project.
The next project is the construction of multipurpose farmers training center phase 2 at Kapangan, Benguet. The appropriation is 3 million pesos from the general fund CY 2026. The number of calendar days to complete is 126 calendar days. It is a permanent structure. The minimum equipment required is 1 cargo truck, 1 welding machine, 1 truck mounted crane with height of 20 to 25 meters, 1 cutting outfit, 1/2-inch GI pipe scaffolding, minor tools, 1 bar cutter, 1 bar bender, and 1 bagger mixer. The source of cement would be from La Trinidad, Benguet, while the sand and gravel would also come from La Trinidad, Benguet. There is a existing structure at the site, a structural frame of 1 story that consists of a well-paved ground slab and columns with some beams. The phase 2 which is this project, would fully enclose the existing structure and would add another story at the top with and with a roof. It will be therefore it will be a two-story building complete with roof and fully enclosed. Would not include the windows and doors, but it will only enclose the building. So there would be a phase 3 for full completion of this building.
Bali, talo na.
Yes,
Dua tinayin ko, open talaga natin.
Wednesday. It's a two-story. Ito lang talaga.
Ilan size ka pa pag yung size ito kalaman mo.
The area na. The the area of the building would be 18 meters by 7 meters, which is based on the existing building. I think meters kami.
Any more on the technical and financial requirements? Terms and conditions of the bidding documents? There be none. Next project?
The next project is the construction of a retaining wall at the Provincial Jail, Poblacion, La Trinidad, Benguet. The appropriation is 4.5 million pesos with 226 calendar days to complete. The source of fund is LDRRMF CY 2026. It is a semi-permanent structure. The minimum equipment required is 1 cargo truck, 2 to 5 metric tons, 1 water truck, 1,000 gallons, 2 dump trucks, 3 to 5.99 cubic yards, 1 bar bender, 1 bar cutter, 1 electric-driven welding machine, 1 bagger concrete mixer, 1 concrete vibrator, and minor tools. The source of cement would be from La Trinidad, Benguet, while the sand and gravel from La Trinidad, Benguet. The boulders would come from Adunot, Bukod. The excavated materials will be placed along the La Trinidad Capital Binong Provincial Road. Since the provincial jail could not be accessed by some equipment, the construction materials of the excavated materials would be hauled out of the compound. The project is a double retaining wall that would be leveled with each other. One retaining wall will be constructed in front, while the other retaining wall will be at the back of it. I think that's all.
Comment, clarification on the project, on the technical and financial requirements, and on the terms and conditions of the bidding documents for this project. Yeah, for the last project.
Improvement of Payan Farm to Market Road, Palasan, Mangkayan. Location, Mangkayan, Benguet, with appropriation of 4 million, with a source of fund of 20% PDF, and the year of 2026. Number of days to complete is 127 calendar days. Minimum equipment required, 1 cargo truck, 1 bagger mixer, 1 concrete saw with a blade of 14 inches, 1 welding machine, electric driven, 1 generator, 1 compactor, self-propelled static, 2 and 3 smooth drum, 2 concrete vibrator, 1 bar bender, one grinder machine and accessories, water truck with a capacity of 1,000 gallon, one oxyacetylene cutting outfit, one bar cutter, single piece, and minor tools. For the source of Portland cement is from La Trinidad Benguet. For the aggregates, Gitlangan Cervantes, as well as the boulders. For the SBBC, from Manasok Bukyas. The scope of work is for the site one, there is 155 length of proposed PCCP with curb and gutter and grouted riprap with parapet. For the site two, there is also 279 proposed PCCP curb and gutter with two concrete canals. The first concrete canal having a 6 meters length with 4-meter steel cover. For the other one is 5-meter length of concrete canal with steel cover. That's
Clarification on the technical and financial requirements. Terms and conditions of the bidding documents. Hearing none. So that concludes the pre-bid conference of 8 projects under regular bidding. Next, PWD reports. Something.
No, sir.
And the